Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and I'm unboxing my Wevolve box. This is their March/April box. Their last box was a manifesting box, which was awesome. Let's check it out. Ooh la la. Pretty. And of course the insert is an art. I don't look at it first, y'all know that. What do we got here? Pull out my husband's snap-on box cutter thing. Boom. Alright. I've seen a lot of spoilers for this one, which is why I got it. Because I liked the last box, but the one before I didn't care for that much. So I wanted to prevent those feelings. Oh, pretty. I have seen these before and I've never gotten one, so that's pretty exciting. It is lovely. So sparkly. Love it. Beautiful. It's a little copper bowl. White copal resin. I can't smell it through the box. Ooh, I know what this is. I love these. I have one. I got one in my box from, I want to say it's October, Sugar Muses, and it's a Rose of Jericho. And when you add water, it blooms again, so to speak. I actually looked it up. It's a very interesting plant. You should check it out. And it came in this beautiful little bowl. So that's super cool. I love that. We've got it's deeper than a tea light candle, but it's the same width, I would say. I think it's a little deeper. And this beautiful blue stone. Ooh, a candle. Twin Moon Magic, New Beginning, Sweetgrass, Violet, Vetiver, Mint, Basil, Citrus. Ooh, lovely. Very nice. And here's the big item that made me want to try this box, because I hate the charcoal disc thing. Hate it, hate it, hate it. But I actually get quite a bit of loose incense over time in my boxes. Oops, I'll put that away instead of this. And so this is a little like candle incense burner thing. So, I guess this one, okay, so this goes like this, I'm gonna guess. Oh, wait. Is it like this? No. I promise I'm capable. Nope, that's not it either. There we go. Yay. I don't know where this all goes. Or is it this way? Anyway, I'll figure it out. Long story short, it's going to sit on this little thing like this. And this is held up here. And then your candle goes there. And your resin goes here. And it's burning it. Really interesting. So I will leave a link to the box, but also with a picture of what this should look like, because I am not good at putting it together. So basically, Tulip Unfurling art card, Earth Element, Rose of Jericho Resurrection Plant, Earth Element, Lapis Lazuli Stone. See, that's what I would have guessed, but I've guessed that before and it was wrong, so I didn't try. Okay, Fire Element is the candle. Watermelon Element is the copper offering bowl. And the Air Element is the resin burner and copal resin. So this was based on like the elements, earthy elements box. That was a theme this month. Really cool assortment of items. I very much like it. This is Wevolve. They do an every other month box, and they have a couple of other like sacred adornments and treasure boxes that you can check out. I've done the sacred adornment, which was really nice. So other things that you could check out, but basically every other month they have an esoteric box, which is a big box. They have a monthly mini cosmic box, and I think they have a crystals only box. Don't quote me though. I will leave the information in the description below so that you can check it out for yourself and get only the most accurate information. I saw most of these previews and I was really excited, so I decided to get this box. They do a lot of information about what's going to be the theme for the month, so it really helps you decide, because the first box I got, I didn't do my research and I didn't like the angel theme that much, and it kind of turned me off to the box. But really, you're not going to like every box because they're doing a lot of different things and not everything's going to resonate with you. So you got to kind of do your homework and pay attention and see what you like in order to have a good experience. And I have a good experience. I like this box. I recommend it to you. Please check it out. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching.